How to fix C access is denied in CMD while in safe mode in Windows 11. If you've booted into safe mode in Windows 11 and suddenly found that you can't access the C drive, especially when running commands from an elevated command prompt, you're running into one of the more common but confusing Windows access issues. In this video, we'll outline 5 reliable methods to fix this problem, from correcting the drive letter in safe mode to modifying registry-based access controls. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 5 ways to fix C access is denied while in safe mode in Windows 11. Method 1. Check and correct the drive letter in safe mode. One of the most overlooked reasons for C access is denied is that the system drive is not actually mapped to C: in safe mode. Windows may temporarily reassign drive letters, which breaks path assumptions. To fix this, boot into safe mode with command prompt. Run diskpart. Identify the correct system volume using list volume. Remap the system volume if needed using type exit to leave diskpart. If Windows reassign the system partition to another letter during safe mode, this method restores the default drive mapping. Method 2. Unlock a BitLocker-Protected drive. If BitLocker is enabled, safe mode often blocks access until the volume is manually unlocked. Open command prompt, then try the following: to check protection status, to unlock the drive with your recovery key. Once unlocked, verify access by running. Method 3. Reset file system permissions via command prompt. If the issue stems from corrupt NTFS permissions or broken ACL entries, you can reset them recursively. Run the following in safe mode. This resets all permissions to their inherited defaults. As a word of warning, this operation has no rollback mechanism. It will remove custom permissions across the entire drive. Use this only when necessary, and always ensure backups or snapshots are available. Also note, because the /q quiet parameter suppresses success messages, only errors will appear, which can make troubleshooting harder. Method 4. Enable the built-in administrator account. Sometimes profile-specific restrictions block access in safe mode. Enabling the built-in administrator account gives you unrestricted access for remediation. To set a compliant password. Then, enable the account using reboot, log in as administrator, and try accessing C again. Method 5. Modify access control via Registry editor. In certain cases, registry-based restrictions can block file system access. To check if this is the case, make sure you're on safe mode, then run regedit. Then, navigate to check for restrictive values or incorrect permissions. If needed, right-click the key and select permissions to reset access control. Editing registry ACLs in safe mode can behave differently than in normal mode. Important: registry-based access control on certain services may behave differently in safe mode, depending on service configuration. If access is still blocked, you may need to restart in normal mode with elevated privileges for further remediation. Verifying your fix. After completing any method, test access by opening command prompt and using these commands to check if the drive's contents are visible to you. Then, confirm the current user context and check if access is still restricted. This helps verify whether access is still restricted under your current security context. The C access is denied error in safe mode can stem from drive letter inconsistencies, BitLocker restrictions, permission corruption, service misconfigurations, or profile level issues. With the right approach, you can restore access cleanly and safely. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix C access is denied in CMD while in safe mode in Windows 11, linked in the description below.